Hello, welcome to my channel. On this very satisfying ASMR fridge organization video, we deep clean, organize, and restock TikTok style my side-by-side fridge, utilizing affordable organizers and budget-friendly containers and simple, easy to follow steps to transform my fridge into a Pinterest-worthy dream fridge. I'm bringing you lots of tips, inspiration, and motivation to make your fridge not only beautiful but functional for you and your family. So come and clean and organize with me. So let's get right to it with the before shots. The first thing I like to do even before cleaning and decluttering my fridge is washing the organizers and containers. That way, whenever I do clean my fridge, I already have the containers ready to go so that the food does not lose any temperature. Here is the after, and you can truly see in my face how happy and proud I am of myself. It is finally clean and organized and truly my dream Pinterest, Instagram worthy fridge. Both my daughters and husband were truly impressed with the transformation. I chose to decanter my beverages and put them in the door side of my fridge since they don't need to be at a very cold temperature. And that just gives me more space on the main part of the fridge to organize and display my food, especially those veggies and fruits. That way, as soon as I open my fridge, they are eye level and I will be reminded to grab them and eat them first. Just make sure you store your produce in containers with paper towels, and I also love this egg dispenser. It makes it super easy for me to just grab an egg for breakfast. It has a slope design that keeps the egg rolling downwards. I use a Lazy Susan for other condiments, in this case Grillo's pickles and my sourdough starter. This is my cheese and meat drawer. I'm so happy I grabbed this container with separators from Amazon. It just keeps my cheeses nice and organized. And then over here, I usually have ham and turkey and bacon, but I added some more cheese on this side. I like that these drawers also have a partition in the middle, as you can tell, but I still managed to get more containers with the dividers. I bought them on Amazon again, and I got a box of 5 or 6. And they were pretty affordable and inexpensive, and I'm using them to keep my tangerines, apples, and vegetables fresher for longer. And then I had a lot of space, so I just added more apples and some herbs and leftover veggies that I need to use ASAP. There's a cake next to my eggs. We're celebrating my friend Noemi, but when that cake is gone, I have space for meal prepping or leftovers. Here is a sneak peek of the before and after of the freezer side of my fridge. I will be tackling the freezer side of my refrigerator for next video, so stay tuned and make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss this super satisfying freezer organizational video. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!